Hello everyone. In this segment, we will learn how to solve linear ordinary differential equations in MATLAB software. Before going to this lecture, I recommend you to watch my lecture videos on solving ordinary differential equations using numerical techniques in my previous playlist, numerical methods for engineers, so that you will get a clear idea how to solve a given differential equation using numerical methods. In this lecture, we will discuss how to solve a given linear ordinary differential equation in MATLAB software. So, ordinary differential equations are classified as initial value problems, IVP. Commonly they are abbreviated as IVP, initial value problem, and they are also classified as boundary value problems. They are abbreviated as BVP. Okay, so ordinary differential equations are classified as initial value problem and boundary value problem. Okay, the main difference is in initial value problem, the degree of the derivative, here you can see the derivative is dy over dx. Okay, so the degree is 1. Okay, whereas in boundary value problems, okay, the highest degree of your derivative is 2. Okay, so this is the difference. So this degree of a differential equation is also very important. If it is 1, you need only one condition to solve your problem, whereas if the degree is 2, you need minimum 2 conditions to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the main difference. So to learn more about the differential equations, I recommend you to watch my lecture video on differential equations in my previous playlist, numerical methods for engineers. So to understand how to solve an initial value problem in MATLAB, I will try to solve this problem in the software. So solve the initial value problem, dy over dx minus 2x plus y is equal to 0, subjected to the initial condition y of 0 is equal to minus 1, and find y of 1. And solution is, this is an approximate solution. This is an approximate solution which is obtained using Euler's rule. Okay, Euler's method. So this is an approximate solution. In this lecture, we will try to obtain exact solution. Okay, so 0.348678. The value of y when x is equal to 1 is 0.348678. Okay, similarly, I will solve this boundary value problem. D square y over dx square plus 4 dy over dx plus 6y is equal to 0, subject to the boundary conditions y of 0 and y of 1. Okay, we'll get a solution which shows how y is varying with respect to x. Okay, so in MATLAB, dsolve function is used to solve linear ordinary differential equations. Okay, linear initial value problems and linear boundary value problems can be easily solved using dsolve function. If you want to solve non-linear initial value problems or non-linear boundary value problems, you need to know more inbuilt solvers of MATLAB. So that is out of this scope of this lecture series. But if you want to learn the advanced programming or the advanced solvers in MATLAB, I recommend you to buy my textbook, Handbook of MATLAB Programming for Mechanical Engineers, so that you will learn the advanced MATLAB programming and also the different solvers which are also used to solve non-linear boundary value problems and non-linear initial value problems, even different types of partial differential equations. It's a very good book. In that book, I have explained very simply, very clearly, even a layman can understand. Okay, so dissolve function, the syntax is very important. So dissolve all in small letters. Okay, then write your differential equation, in single quotes, then comma, then initial condition. If it is an initial value problem, give your initial condition. If it is a boundary value problem, you have two conditions to be given. So type two boundary conditions in single quotes. Okay, comma, in single quotes, write your independent variable. Okay, so whenever I write dy over dx, okay, so remember, y is my dependent variable, x is my independent variable. Okay, so dissolve function will take t as the default independent variable. Okay, t is the default independent variable, so this part is fixed always in single quotes. Here you should always write t. Okay, and when you are defining a differential equation, you should d over dt, you should write it as d. Okay, whereas d square over dt square will be written as d2. Okay, for example, this is my differential equation, dy over dx minus 2x plus y. Okay, if I want to write this differential equation in dissolve function, it will be simplified as d over dx is d, so I will write dy minus 2 star x is here in this equation. X is your independent variable, but dissolve, when you are using dissolve function, your t is always independent variable. Okay, plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so this statement you should write in the single quotes. So in this way you should define your differential equation. Okay, this differential equation should be written like this. Okay, so let's go to our MATLAB software and try to solve the problem. Okay, so let's solve the initial value problem first. Okay, so dissolve. Okay, dissolve single quotes, parenthesis, then single quotes. Here I should write my equation. So what is in my equation? Dy over dx minus 2x plus y is equal to 0. So dy minus 2 times of t plus y is equal to 0, separated by a comma. Okay, so dy minus 2x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, then the initial condition, y of 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, y of 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, then comma, the independent variable, that is t. Okay, always by default the independent variable is t. Okay, so now I'll press enter. So I'll get the analytical solution, undefined function or variable, dissolve. So while writing I have written, I spelled it wrong, DSOVLE. So the MATLAB is asking, is it DSOLV? I should say yes. So press just enter. So whenever you write any mistake in typing or in spelling the function, the MATLAB will throw the error. Okay, so this is my analytical solution. Okay, but I want to find the value of y when x is equal to 1, that is the value of y when t is equal to 1. In dissolve function, t is my default independent variable, so I'll copy this. Okay, and I will paste it here. So wherever t is there, I'll replace with 1. and we'll press enter. So the exact solution is 0.3679, whereas the Euler's solution is 0.348678. This is a wrong solution, approximate solution, because Euler's method is an approximate method to solve the initial value problem. So the solution is approximate with some error, whereas the exact solution is 0.3679. Okay, so now let's solve a boundary value problem. Okay, let's solve the boundary value problem. D square y over dx square plus 4 dy over dx plus 6y. Okay, so D solve, SOLV. So this time I wrote it correct. So in single quotes, let me represent the equation. So D2y plus 4 times dy plus 6y is equal to 0. I need to give two conditions here because it is a boundary value problem. So y of 0 is equal to 1, and y of 1 is equal to 3. It should be in single quotes. Okay, comma, then the independent variable, that is by default it is t. Okay, so enter. So it's taking some time. So this is the solution which represents how y is varying with respect to t. Okay, how y is varying with respect to t. Okay, so solving analytically is very difficult, but using dsolve function of MATLAB, we can solve any linear initial value and boundary value problem very easily. In the next lecture, I will discuss how to solve an elliptic partial differential equation in MATLAB. Thank you.